Sentry mode just went off. I finally caught who's setting off my alarm. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And you may be asking yourself, why am I filming in the middle of the night? So it turns out my wife thinks I've been spending way too much time with the new car. She's totally right. She's in bed sleeping right now, and she actually thinks I'm in bed with her, rubbing her feet. Little does she know I've trained my 4-year-old to stay at the end of the bed and rub them for me. Let me tell you. Okay, now, rub her feet real good. Press in the middle and around her ankles. Okay, enough jib-jab. So what are we talking about today? Today we're installing Puddle lights from EV Annex. So what exactly are Puddle lights again? So when you open your doors, if you have a premium trim, they come with puddle lights, which are these lights that shine on the floor to illuminate any kind of puddles that there may be. And they are located actually under the door card right here. They're pretty easy to swap out. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace these with an upgraded ones that look pretty cool. This is what it looks like with all the lights off at night. That's the before, the default that comes with the car. You get the back door, and for the back doors as well. So what tools are you going to need for this job? Just a pry tool. Anything with a flat edge. You could even use a flathead screwdriver. Just be a little bit more careful with those because they can tear into your door compartment. These are plastic, pretty soft, and they're actually used for trim removal. So you can get these at any auto parts store or Amazon. I think I got this at AutoZone. It came like with a kit of some sort, but yeah, these are worth having around. In fact, if you order from EV Annex, they even throw in one of those pry tools for you. And of course, you backyard mechanics know what this is. Anyone that's worked on an ICE car has these laying around just so they don't have to lay on a dirty floor when they're doing work underneath the car. Since I am going to have to lay on the ground to reach under these, I'm just going to lay this down because, you know, I'm too lazy to sweep up here. So this is the default that comes with the car, and all you do is you just get a tool to kind of stick on the edge and you pry it off and it just pops off. They're just held in with clips. So pretty easy job overall. This is what it looks like. There's just a cable hanging there with a little connector. You're gonna have to squeeze that to slide this light off, and the other one just clips back into place and pops back up there. Pretty simple. That's it. It just pulls right off. There's nothing really to pinch. You just slide it off, pretty easy. There you go, installed. Did you guys hear something? Honey? I'm so scared. I'm on the back doors here and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Just pops right out and slides off. Get the new one. Slide it back in. And reinstall by just pushing it back up in place. And we're done. So this is the finished product here. There's the front door, the rear door. It's pretty cool. So just repeat the steps on the other side and you're done. When I wasn't filming, it literally took me about 45 seconds to do each one. You just pop it off, unplug it, plug the other one in, push it back in place, and that's it. So again, I hope you found this video useful. Easy job, anyone can do it, minimal tools required. Please do this job. It's such an easy mod, and it makes a cool little difference. And I just want to give a quick shout out to all you new subscribers out there. Thank you so very much for subscribing. It means a lot to me, and wow, we've reached over 300 subscribers in just a little over a week of this channel being active. That's amazing. I've got one other channel for my Miata. Took me almost a year before I got 300 subscribers. I just reached 1,000 over there, so thank you so very much. If you're currently in the market to buy one of these cars, please use somebody's referral code. I put mine in the description below. I would love for you to use mine, but it really doesn't matter who's. Use somebody so you get 1,000 miles of free supercharging. And if you found this video useful in any way, please let me know by hitting that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. We've got a lot more to do here.